Did you know some of the tastiest vegetables actually prefer cooler weather? Yep, while most plants slow down in fall, these veggies come alive when the air gets crisp. The best part? You can plant them once, give them a little love at the start, and then just let them do their thing. Whether you've got a big garden bed, a few pots on the porch, or just a patch of soil by the fence, these are the 10 easiest vegetables to grow in fall. No fuss, no worries. Let's dig in. 1. Spinach. Spinach is a fall champion. It loves cool temperatures and even gets sweeter after a light frost. You can plant it in pots or directly in the ground. Just keep the soil moist for the first week and it'll take care of itself. It's ready to pick in about 30 to 45 days, perfect for quick salads or smoothies. 2. Radishes. If you want instant gardening success, go for radishes. They grow so fast, some varieties are ready in just 25 days. Plant the seeds about half an inch deep, keep the soil damp for a few days, and boom, crunchy, spicy roots before winter even hits. Plus, they're great for kids or beginner gardeners because they grow almost foolproof. 3. Kale. Kale is tough as nails. It loves cold weather and can survive frost, even snow. In fact, the leaves taste better, less bitter, after a chilly night. You can pick the outer leaves as it grows, and the plant will keep producing fresh ones for months. Curly kale, dinosaur kale, or red Russian, they all thrive in fall. 4. Lettuce. Lettuce grows super fast and doesn't like the summer heat, so fall is perfect. You can grow different types, romaine, butterhead, or leaf lettuce, and harvest them as baby greens or full heads. If you sow a few seeds every 2 weeks, you'll have a steady supply of fresh salad leaves well into winter. 5. Carrots. Carrots love the cool soil of autumn. They take a bit longer, about 60 to 75 days, but they're totally hands-off once they sprout. Here's a fun fact. Frost actually makes carrots sweeter because cold weather turns their starches into sugar. So the later you harvest them, the tastier they get. 6. Beets. Beets are another plant and forget veggie. They grow both tasty roots and nutritious greens, so you get a double harvest. Just sprinkle the seeds about an inch apart, keep the soil loose, and let nature do the rest. They'll be ready in 50 to 60 days, and you can pull a few at a time as needed. 7. Garlic. This one's a fall classic. Plant garlic cloves in late fall before the ground freezes, and then forget about them all winter. They'll sleep under the soil and pop up strong in spring. By early summer, you'll have big, healthy bulbs ready to harvest. It's like nature's slow cooker. Just plant, wait, and enjoy. 8. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is colorful, nutritious, and unbelievably easy. It handles both warm and cool weather, so it keeps growing through fall and sometimes even into winter. You can harvest the outer leaves anytime, and it'll keep producing more. Bright Lights is a beautiful variety with rainbow stems that look amazing in any garden. 9. Peas. Peas love the mild chill of fall. They grow best when temperatures stay below 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, so early to mid-fall is ideal. Just give them a trellis or support to climb on, and they'll reward you with sweet, crunchy pods. You can eat them raw, in stir-fries, or straight from the vine. They're that good. 10. Green onions. Scallions are one of the easiest things you'll ever grow. Plant a few seeds or even the white root ends from store-bought ones. They grow fast, need almost no care, and you can harvest them at any stage. Plus, they'll regrow after cutting if you leave the roots in the soil, a real set and forget crop. Extra tips. Always check your local frost dates. Plant 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost for best results. Use compost-rich soil. It keeps nutrients steady through the cooler months. Cover young plants with a light row cover if nights get too cold. Water less often in fall. Cooler air means soil stays moist longer. And don't worry about pests. Most bugs disappear once the weather cools. So there you have it, to 10 easy fall vegetables that practically grow themselves. You can start planting this weekend and still enjoy fresh food well into winter. Which one are you going to try first? Spinach, carrots, or maybe garlic? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple gardening tips, and share it with a friend who loves growing their own food. Thanks for watching and happy fall gardening.